How to attract guys without saying anything. Want to gain your guy's attention without even talking to him. It's normal to feel nervous when talking to guys, especially if you're trying to flirt. Fortunately, it's possible to attract guys to you without even talking to them. It's your body language. So today in this video, we are going to talk about 20 things to attract guys without saying anything. Watch this video to the end and learn 20 traits of this video. Let's start. Number 1. Excellent and distinctive aroma. Try on the best perfume that suits your personality. This ensures that you leave your scent every time you pass a boy you like. Boys are strongly attracted to good perfumes, especially when they smell pleasant in the air. Allow your scent or fragrance to dissipate in the air for longer when hugging your friend who is near the person you want to attract. Number 2. Use subtle, romantic tips. Applying the more subtle art of flirting requires a subtle approach and positive thinking to attract your potential romantic interest. Rolling or twirling your hair. Stroking your head and smelling good are some of the best ways to attract a boy without confusing him with mixed signals. Number 3. Use social networking sites. In today's world, there are many social networking sites, and it is more interesting for people to like, pierce, and comment on their friends' pictures. In order to impress a boy, you should not show any disappointment in hinting that you want that person, but indirectly you can communicate very well. Be good friends with all his other friends in a way that can be popular among his friends. This will eventually lead you to believe that he will surprise you and why he did not come to you. Number 4. Self-confidence. Have you ever wondered why a girl who does not look so good is still able to catch up with every boy? Self-confidence means knowing that you are beautiful, in your own way, and traveling this whole world as you are. You definitely do not have to wear high heels, dresses, or show perfect hairstyles. It is something that comes from the inside and is confident. It's beautiful and you. Number 5. Before we begin, if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future video. And comment down below "I subscribed" so we can welcome you. Number 5. Try to make him smile and be happy around you. The boys are amazed, fascinated by the smile of a girl. Whenever you are in a group, try to give your attention to his jokes with a smile and a smile. But let him know that you enjoy his jokes. When you laugh at his jokes or turn red at his praise, it shows that he can surprise you. But at the same time, when you do not start anything to please him, for example, when you talk to him, he works harder because he knows that he has not made you happy enough to win you over completely. Number 6. Wear appropriate clothing. It may seem a little weird, but this is certainly true. Do not try too hard to impress a boy you like. Do not go too far with makeup and hairstyles. Wear inappropriate clothes. Look very desperate, because you do not want that person to think you are weird. Everything looks moderately good and subtle. Keep it stylish, modern, interesting, but admirable. Number 7. Keep an eye on him to show that you are interested. When you see a boy who is interested in you, gesture to him and signal to him that you are open to approach him. If you are close to each other, grab his attention and close your eyes. If not, pass him by and close your eyes quickly. When he looks at you, meet his eyes and slowly close your eyes to him. This shows that you are deliberately flirting with him. Number 8. Speak with your body language. When physical contact is done at the right time, duration, and frequency, it sends a clear signal that you are attracted to someone. Place your hands where your hips are, indicating that you can reach them by placing your hands lightly on your hips. Or show that you are by crossing your arms and gently positioning them on either side of you. Align your upper body mirroring his movements, and the way his body angles is clear body language that makes you a boy. Express your full attention to him by facing forward and keeping your feet in his direction. Number 9. Don't be an easy girl. Even if you want to impress a boy, never give in easily. You are unique in your own way and do not have to fall into some cheese lines. As soon as you start to please him, that person will definitely start to take you lightly because he sees that you are trying to chase after him. So never give your boyfriend this advantage. Number 10. Become your own style. Every girl has her own style. She does not have to be taught what to wear. She already knows it. She has to carry it beautifully, but trust her. For example, racetrack models showcase not only the clothes they wear on the racetrack, but also their belief that they own it and how they carry it. Boys absolutely love girls who are kind of distracted without intention. When a girl smiles, her dress should also smile. It is comfortable and stylish. Number 11. Create a natural makeup look. Guys are honestly dumb, so he doesn't care because even if you fade the eyeliner or lip color, he may not know anything about makeup. But to get your boy's attention, you need to make him look clean and fresh. A look that brings out your natural beauty will impress him and lift your head with you. But it also depends on your person, so focus on what he prefers to see you instead of being normal. If you've been following him enough on Facebook to know your boy's taste, go ahead and put on the makeup you know he likes. But if you do not, it is better to follow the general and classic makeup style. Boys are believed to see a woman with beautiful, cute eyes or bold lips. Wear a little makeup to make sure you do not miss this advantage. Do not try to impress by overdoing your makeup. In the end, you will get a weird look from him. It is always wiser to do something than to wait for something to happen in the end. Number 12. Love yourself. It is not easy to fall in love with yourself. At first it may work, but when you're natural, it is easier for you to get your person's attention. When you love yourself, it raises your confidence level. Being confident rather than sitting in a corner texting someone about how you like your boy looking at you is one way to get his attention. Your person will see you when you love them more and when you are completely satisfied with your life. Your person may want to reach out to you to get to know you better when he sees this quality in you. Build a bold and beautiful spirit to attract your boy's attention by loving yourself. This is a good way for your boyfriend to see you without talking to him. Number 13. Be a fun-loving girl. If you are a fun girl, you will always attract people to you. Live in the moment, enjoy life as it comes. When your life is a party, it is easier for your person to see you. That's not to say you have to lie to live a fun life. Instead of pretending to be a fun girlfriend, be honest with yourself. Your boy's attention is focused on nothing more than living a good life. Your boyfriend will see that being around you makes his life better too. This attribute helps to get your person's attention easily. When you are in a texting app or using Facebook, do not sit idly by in the corner until someone speaks to you. None of this happens when you appear to be a secretive and emotional person. This will not help you to get your boy's attention without talking. Number 14. Clash with him. When you want to get your person's attention, make sure you know his general needs. Try to jump on him occasionally without being clearly visible, or he will think you are chasing him. Seeing you in the same places often can send a signal to you that you share common interests, which is an easy way to get your person's attention. This will send him subtle signals that he can ask of you. Make no mistake about it, you're going to make it a point for your boyfriend to think that there is nothing better than chasing after him with your life. Show him that he is not your only interest and that you have many more wonderful things to do in your life. Whatever this independent quality is, it attracts the attention of your person. So be proud that you caught his attention when he took the first step. Number 15. Make yourself busy. Be sure not to miss your life while you try to get his attention. Always engage with important things. Your person will definitely love you for being a busy bee. Guys always find girls who are engaged in things to be more attractive. It is easier to get his attention if you are someone. You can always throw a few glances at him, but make it look casual. Let him take the time to appreciate you even when you look away. When you see that he is looking at you when you are not looking at him, it is a great sign that he is interested in you and has won his attention without you talking. Number 16. Be approachable. Everyone is afraid to refuse, and so is your person. So it is wise to make sure that you send to him that you are more friendly and close than someone who is in the mood and angry. To make him feel that you are friendly and approachable. Even if you are new to him, make sure he trusts you. Never moan or panic when you are around him, and never use Facebook or text messages. All this will send him signals that you are not interested and will drive him away from you. Sending your boyfriend a positive refreshment can get your boy's attention. This is one surefire way to get your person's attention without talking. Number 17. Be benevolent to all. Boys are attracted to girls who are compassionate, caring, and humane. Be warm-hearted when you talk to boys. It doesn't matter if you are not dating them. Simply do not be rude. Annoy a boy who is not good at talking. Do not allow even boys who treat you rudely. Number 18. Talk about better topics and win it. Do not let any boy behave more intelligently than you. Be aware of the topic you are talking about and have a healthy discussion and take a stand on your word. Believe it or not, boys love and appreciate girls who are beautiful, intelligent, magical, talented, and can argue and win. Also, you need to talk to everyone except the person you want to impress. Number 19. Give the guy some competition. Have you ever wondered why some girls wear boys more than other girls? When one boy pays attention to you, do not miss all the other boys. When you tell a boy that you are only interested in him, he assumes that he has already conquered you. Converse pleasantly with other boys, lightheartedly flirt, and do not talk to the person you want to impress even if he is around. Remember, you are not dating him yet, so let him see that he has a lot of competition to be with you. He should take that place to come to you and talk to you. Remember that guys want to hang out with a girl who gets a lot of attention and steal from under their noses. Number 20. Show your hands. For good reason. Research shows that hiding your hands in your pockets or under a table makes it harder for people to open them for you. On the other hand, showing your hands to the person you are attracted to is a positive sign that you can trust. If you feel insecure about the look of your hands, apply lotion regularly to boost your confidence and trim your nails well. His are examples of touches that show for sure that you care about him.